Have you ever met someone who instantly draws attention without even trying? They walk into a room and everyone notices. What if I told you you could become that person? Starting right now. In the next few minutes, I'll show you 7 powerful psychological tricks that make anyone want you instantly. These are real science-backed techniques used by the world's most magnetic people, and once you understand them, you'll never see human attraction the same way again. And no, this doesn't involve hypnosis, pickup lines, or sacrificing goats under the moonlight. Let's begin. Number 1. The mirror effect. Humans love people who feel familiar. When you subtly mirror someone's body language, tone, or pace of speech, their brain releases oxytocin, the bonding hormone. They instantly feel, I like this person. Just don't overdo it. You're building a connection, not mimicking a mime. Once you create comfort, the next trick creates curiosity. Number 2. The mystery gap. We're wired to chase what we don't fully understand. Leave a little mystery. Drop hints instead of full stories. Say things like, that's a wild story. Remind me to tell you later. Boom. Curiosity activated. They'll think about you long after you've gone. Now that they're intrigued, it's time to connect. Number 3. The vulnerability paradox. Real connection doesn't come from perfection. It comes from authenticity. When you open up just a little, share a flaw, a dream, or a failure, people relate. It sparks empathy and trust. Just remember, being real doesn't mean trauma dumping during lunch. Keep it light, keep it human. Now that you're real, let's make them feel your presence. Number 4. The power of eye contact. Eye contact is silent confidence. Hold it just 1 second longer than normal. Not staring, just being there. Our brains equate eye contact with attention, and attention equals value. If you're counting seconds in your head, you're doing it wrong. Feel it, don't time it. Now, let's anchor that feeling even deeper. Number 5. Name anchoring. Use their name, often and with emotion. When you say someone's name as you praise or thank them, their brain lights up. It tells them, you see me. And that's one of the most powerful feelings in the world. Number 6. Scarcity and urgency. We value what feels limited. If your time and attention seem rare, people will chase it. Don't always be available. Let your absence add weight to your presence. Because when people think they can have you anytime, they stop valuing you. Number 7. The emotional imprint. People don't remember what you said. They remember how you made them feel. If you leave people feeling seen, inspired, or appreciated, you become unforgettable. That's emotional intelligence. And that's what makes someone truly magnetic.